How to edit TikTok video after posting. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can edit your TikTok video after posting. It's a very easy and straightforward process. To learn it, you have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet, and once you are connected to the internet, then go ahead and open up your TikTok app and then go to your profile. And once you're on your TikTok profile, now here you'll get your all videos that you have uploaded on your TikTok account so far. Now you have to select the video that you want to edit, and then here you'll get three dots at the lower right side. Tap on here, and now slide this to the left side, and here you'll get edit post. Tap on it. And now you can edit the caption you wrote earlier. You can edit your cover photo on your video, and you can also add a location. That's how you can edit your TikTok video after posting. And one thing you have to keep in your mind is that the video must be within the last 7 days of posting. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.